All right, let's see if you can answer this skill testing question.
Oh boy.
You ready for the question?
Wait a minute. Before we do that, please click the like button.
Subscribe to the channel.
And more importantly,
Bring us your cars. Okay, here's the question. Do you know the difference between the annual state inspection and your vehicle maintenance inspection?
I know.
What's different? Oh, I hope you know. Okay, enlighten us. What's the answer, Jerry?
After almost 43 years,
Yeah.
I better know this.
You better know the answer to this one.
Otherwise, Lordy, I'm going to be in trouble, right?
Okay, so I know that the vehicle state inspection is mandated by the state. The state requires you to have your vehicle inspected every year.
Every year.
Yep.
Whether you like it or not. Every year.
They require the state inspector to be a licensed state inspector.
At a licensed state inspection facility.
And you're going to either pass or fail. And this is part of your registration every year to have your vehicle registered.
And you're charged whether you pass or fail.
Oh,
so
yeah,
even
true.
if you fail, you still have to pay the $25.50 for your state inspection.
Yep.
Because the inspector, that money goes, actually most of it goes to the state. So.
Okay, so those are safety items. Things like what?
Horn.
Windshield
make
wipers.
sure the horn works. That way you stay out of road rage. You have some, right? Windshield wipers.
So cute. Oh my god.
You got to have at least one mirror that looks to the back of the vehicle, and not just for putting on your lipstick. I mean, it has to look in the back of the vehicle.
All right. All of the lights on your car. I know the headlamps, the side lamp, even the license plate bulbs.
That's, by the way, there's a trivia for you. The number one reason people get pulled over is for a license plate lamp not functioning.
Wow.
Number one reason.
So make sure that that's working.
Very important. Another thing that they check for that doesn't make sense to a lot of people, the high beam indicator on the dash. If that does not function, your vehicle will not pass state inspection. Yeah. Your seatbelts have to function.
If there's a check engine light on the dash, it will fail.
Well, that's depending on the year.
Oh, okay.
If it's prior to if it's prior to 1996, if you have a check engine light on or an MIL, malfunction indicator lamp, that's the technical term for it, then your vehicle will in fact fail safety inspection. Anything built after 1996. If you have a crack in your steering wheel, you can fail state inspection.
They check your tires too. They check
and the brake system.
That's safety for sure.
If you have a brake leak, a brake line leak, or a power steering leak, of course, those will cause you to fail state inspection. Mm-hmm. The Serpentine belt on your vehicle, if it's bad, will fail state inspection.
And your safety belts. Your seatbelt has to be.
And it has to function. You have to click it in and it has to lock in. And of course, here's a crazy one. Window tint. If your window tint is too dark, it will fail state inspection. Or we've seen a couple of them where people from out of state had window tint on the inside of the front windshield. You have to actually replace the entire windshield to get the vehicle to yes.
Oh,
and
wow. Don't do that.
On your
You'll fail inspection.
Your car that has the heads-up display,
yeah,
that windshield's about $2,000. So don't let anybody put window tint on the inside of your window.
Or on the outside of your front windshield either.
Yeah, no. That's a really bad thing.
Okay, so that's the state inspection.
Yep.
What's a maintenance inspection?
So we do a lot of the same. Like we're going to check all your lights. We're going to make sure that all your lights are functioning. We're going to check your power steering system and your brake system and your suspension and make sure that all of the steering components are functioning as they should. But we're also going to check things like your air filter and your battery, your cabin air filter. We'll check
all the flushes.
We'll check your
brake fluid flush, the transmission flush, the power steering flush.
We actually test the brake fluid with a hydrometer, and it tests the moisture content in the brake fluid. And the reason that's important is if the brake fluid has a moisture content that's too high and you're in stop and go traffic, you could lose the brakes because the brake fluid will actually boil and turn to steam. I mean, that's a physics issue.
And the
pedal goes straight to the floor, and you can in fact have an accident with your car. So it's very important that we do that.
And maintenance is also regular oil service, just your regular stuff that you know that you need to do.
Yeah, oil services. We check alignment, your exhaust system. anything that would require maintenance on your vehicle,
Yeah.
just to make sure that you are safe and your family is safe, and of course, all of us on the road that are sharing the road with you, we want to be safe too.
You probably know the auto shop as either the shop you trust, which people have been saying that about us for a long time. Also, what is it? Car trouble, we fix anything. So that's how the public knows us. Inside, what we say to each other is we keep people safe. That's our goal.
That's what we do.
That is our, like, if there was a core value or an overarching like tagline or something, like the inner culture of our shop is we keep people safe.
We don't just do oil services or tire repairs or brake services. We keep people safe. We save lives. We've serviced over 250,000 vehicles, and we've not lost one yet. Don't want it to start, and that's why we check out every vehicle when it comes into the shop.
So now you know the difference between a state-mandated vehicle safety inspection and a maintenance inspection.
Yeah.
The maintenance items versus the safety items, but both are checked each time you come in for maintenance, whether it's just your regular oil service, brakes, or if you have a crazy sound coming from your car. Yeah, click, 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 click. We should do one about that. Okay, so bring us your cars. Schedule an appointment at 972-578-0588 or
go online at www.theautoshop.com. We're happy to help.
And click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share these videos with your friends.
Most importantly, bring
us
us your cars.
See you next time.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.